Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add YouTube bot to Discord. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Adding a YouTube bot to the Discord lets you share and interact with YouTube content in your server more easily. And this is how we are going to get this done. So first things first, I want you to go ahead and open Google. And here in Google, you're just going to simply type here a YouTube bot, just like so. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here. This is from top.gg. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit the invite button here. And we're just going to go ahead and choose the server where we want to add it. Then click continue. And then go ahead and authorize this one right here. And then click I'm a human. So there you go. We have now added it to our Discord server. Now here we are. As you can see, we have here YouTube already added. Now this time what we want to do is open our YouTube. I'm just going to go ahead and use this particular user right here. And then we're just going to copy the ID which is found in here. Now we're going to go back here in our Discord, say for example, or before using that one. There is one thing that we need to edit. So we're going to go to roles and we're going to go ahead and look for the YouTube role and go ahead and click the permissions. So we are going to enable attach files found somewhere in here. There you go. So it says allow members to upload files or media in text channels. And then we're going to save this changes. And we're going to go ahead and create another channel. So I'm going to click this one right here and call this whatever you want. Then go ahead and click Create Channel. And we are now in here. Alright, after this one we're going to go ahead and edit this channel. And we're going to go ahead and put some permissions in here. First things first, we're going to go ahead and go to Advanced Permissions and add our YouTube. So where is it? There you go. And then we're going to go ahead and add some permissions here in our YouTube. For example, you have there the View Channel, and then Send Messages, Embed Links, Attached Links, and the Mention, and then Read Message History. After doing that one, we're just going to go ahead and save this changes. Close this one right here. And then we're just going to go ahead and add something in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and look for YouTube. Say for example this one right here. And then you're going to go ahead and see a lot of YouTube things that you can do here. For example, if I want to add or say for example, a notification. And then we're going to go ahead and choose say for example general. So go ahead and hit enter. And then you're going to go ahead and put the channel name here. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one. For example, go ahead and click submit. Alright, select the channel you want to watch. And then you're going to go ahead and basically choose it here. So that's basically how you can add YouTube bot to Discord. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.